What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning the engine bay in my 2006 STI. I don't know why I forgot that. I haven't washed it since I bought it a few months ago. It's honestly not that dirty. I'll go ahead and throw in some B-roll for that, but I figured, why not? I have all this free time now that we're in quarantine. We're not doing anything, so I might as well do something with my time. So we're going to be doing that, throwing on some degreaser, hosing it down. I don't know, maybe polish some things if I can. I'm not really sure how much I can get done with this thing because, like I said, it's not really that dirty. It's just kind of dusty, but I don't know. It'll just be something to watch. So yeah, like I said, it's not really that dirty. Maybe a little bit of grime, but hopefully this will show up pretty good on camera, like a little before and after. I got some detailing brushes and stuff that I bought not too long ago, and hopefully this will come out pretty good. Oh man, that looks dirty. I'm gonna have to flush that eventually, but yeah, for now let's get into it. This is what I'll be using today. I don't know how well it works, but it's engine degreaser, so hopefully pretty good. Alright, so for now, I'm just gonna let it air dry. And I'll come back with that trimmer store. Man, that looks so good. I don't know if I'm gonna see if I can do it before and after. But man, that fluid's making it look horrible, but that's clean. And then this, I already did the brake fluid flush. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but you can still see it. You can see right through it. But man, this thing is clean. I'm loving this. And then I got a friend who recommended something as far as polishing this up. Or I'll probably do that in a separate video, but definitely needs to be cleaner just because that's like the big focal point of the car, or the engine bay. And then of course you got this big old red thing. This thing's coming out beautifully. Oh man, I'm gonna touch that back up because that is dirty. It's quick. I'm not really trying to set it all up to make it perfect. Oh, it looks so red. I thought it was orange or something. No, I'm just kidding. I knew it was red, but man, that looks so good. There you go. Now they match. I'm actually going to use this shop vac to help it dry. Let's see if I can try to clean this up because the paint's peeling. It's starting to rust a little bit. I'm going to sand it down and spray paint it black. It's probably not going to be perfect, but it'll be better than what it is now. So we'll see. is the paint I'm using. I had it laying around, so I figured why not. I got a bunch of them, but it says it's for metal, and it's a satin black, which is what I want. Don't really want that glossy look. Whoa, that looks so good already. I don't know if you guys, hopefully you guys can pick this up on camera. That looks freaking cool. All right, let's get back to the hoses. All right, so for this black trim plastic stuff, I'm using this. I'll just apply it to the end of a little detail brush. Just gonna apply it to the end of this and then brush it on. Cause that, yeah, that looks pretty worn. So we'll see how this works. So while the battery tie down is drying and the rest of this is setting in, I guess, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the air filter, and then hopefully that paint says it dries pretty quickly, so hopefully it's dry enough for me to mount it to the battery, and then I'll be done. Before I put the air filter in, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down, just re-oil it. It's already pretty clean. I cleaned it not too long ago, so just re-oil it and put it back in. There she goes. Not bad. It only took like 15, probably 20 minutes. I really like how that came out. And this, I guess because, you know, they pop more, but they look a lot cleaner. I guess just those little details alone makes this look a lot better. And that trimmer store, I don't know if you guys could see it in the camera, but it just had like white spots all over it. It was all dried up, but still good, but nice and deep now. I really like the way this turned out, especially this tie down. I didn't really do much prep. All I did was sand it down to get some of that surface rust off and make it somewhat even, and paint it black with whatever paint I had laying around. I'm definitely not a professional. I definitely don't have all the tools that I've seen people on YouTube have, but it's not bad. If I can do it, you guys can do it. That's it for today's video. I don't know. I don't really know how to make videos, but NJ Bay's clean. I like it. I'm happy with it. I'll see you next one.